everyone, it's Karina and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel and welcome to a new day. Today is Thursday, September 10th, and what I am doing in today's video is I'm going to be baking my favorite banana nut muffin. I love banana nut muffins. They're my favorite, but I am picky about how different ones taste. So I tried this recipe and I absolutely loved it. So I'll be making that for you today. And I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much for stopping by, taking the time out of your day to watch my video. So let's get to it. Okay, everyone, I'm back. And so what I'm going to do first is just go over the ingredients I'm using for this recipe. And then I'll go through and putting everything together. So first off, I'm going to be using 2 bananas. Now the original recipe calls for 3 bananas, but those were 3 smaller bananas. These are a little bigger, so I don't want to overwhelm the taste either. So I'm using 2 a little larger bananas. And then I'm going to mash those up in a minute. I'm also going to be using 1½ cups of flour, 3/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to be using just a pinch of salt, and I always just use the 50% less sodium salt. I just use that for everything now. I'm going to be using just a tablespoon, or a teaspoon rather, just a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Also a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of baking soda. Now I keep my baking soda in this container just because the box has an opening that I don't want to always tape closed. So I always just put it in a plastic thing there. And then I'm also going to be using crushed walnuts or smashed walnuts. So those are the ingredients for this. Okay, so what you also want to do is get a muffin pan, just a muffin pan with 12 muffins in it. And this recipe should be just perfect for 12 muffins. So, and I don't line them with cupcake holders. I just butter the insides of each cup and I pour the mixture directly into there, and that should work out fine. Okay, so let's get to this. First thing I'm going to do is smash my bananas. And I'm just using a smasher. I even got this at the Dollar Tree, and I use it quite often. I hope everybody's having a great day today. We're having another fall-like day. I don't even think the high hit 60 today, but we've been having some rainy days, so we're going to be going fishing tomorrow. So I'll bring you some footage of that. Hopefully you catch some fish. Okay, that should be good enough. All right, so next thing we're going to do, we are going to have 1/3 cup of melted butter. So let me grab that quick. Okay, I'm back with my melted butter. So again, that's 1/3 cup of melted butter. And then we're going to go with 3/4 cups of sugar. Oh, and another one I missed is 1 egg that's already beaten. Okay, so we're going to put in our 1 egg that's already beaten. And then we're going to do a teaspoon of baking powder. And this is just all going in the same thing. There's your baking powder. And then you want a teaspoon of baking soda. And then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, and then you also just want to put a pinch of salt. Okay, so we're just going to mix that together. So what is your guys' favorite muffin? Leave it down in the comments below. What do you guys like for muffins? I like, of course, my favorite is banana nut. And then my second favorite would be a good chocolate chip muffin. Just chocolate chip though, not chocolate chip. I'm not really keen on too much chocolate. Okay, so we're pretty well mixed there. That's what your mixture is going to look like. All right, so now that we got all that in, we're going to add chopped walnuts. I like my walnuts, as you can see. And then we're going to put our 1.5 cups of flour. And then we're going to mix that all together. Now what the flour is going to do with those walnuts is the flour is going to attach to the walnuts and it's going to spread it out evenly throughout the batter, so the walnuts just don't like sink to one area. This is a really simple recipe. If you like banana nut muffins, definitely give it a try. Like I said, I haven't done so many baking and cooking since I left my job. And I'm actually absolutely loving it. I bought a rolling pin like years ago. Years ago. And I used it like once or twice in how many years. And I've used it so much during the past few months, between crushing graham crackers for a graham cracker crust, crushing walnuts. It's just, yeah. So I'm enjoying what I'm doing. All right, so we have our batter there. And I'm going to bring the muffin pan over and we're going to put them in the muffin pan. All right, be right back. Okay, so I have my muffin pan here. Fits 12 muffins. So what I already did was I pre-buttered all the muffin cups here. So I'm just going to pour my batter in. So I just wanted to show you. So I bought this picture stand at the Dollar Tree. It's just from the Dollar Tree, just like the put a picture or something on. And I use it because I wrote this recipe in a paper tablet. And to stand it up so I can see it, I just put it in the picture stand there. So yeah, that worked out well because I won't use it for a picture or anything. So yeah, just wanted to show you that. All right, I'm going to fill up my muffins here. And you're going to bake this at 350, anywhere between 15 and 20 minutes. I usually check it at 15. They have been done at 15, so I would go closer to the 15 side, unless you like them a little darker. And you want to fill up your muffin cups here about 3/4 of the way. Okay, so I'm just going to fill these up, and I'll put them in the oven, and then I'll be back when they are done so I can show you. Okay? Okay, folks, so here is the end result. The muffins, they are done. I put a toothpick through the middle, so they are done. I'm not going to taste them right now because they are super hot right now and I don't want to get burned. But so that is the end result. That's the banana nut muffins with my favorite recipe. I'll put the recipe down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, drop a comment. Please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the bell to be notified of my next video. Again, thank you for tuning in and spending your time watching my video. Hope you have a great day, and until next time.